Animals are categorized into ecological groups depending on how they obtain or consume organic material, including carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, detritivores, and parasites. Interactions between animals form complex food webs. In carnivorous or omnivorous species, predation is a consumer resource interaction where a predator feeds on another organism, called its prey. Selective pressures imposed on one another lead to an evolutionary arms race between predator and prey, resulting in various anti-predator adaptations. Almost all multicellular predators are animals. Some consumers use multiple methods. For example, in parasitoid wasps, the larvae feed on the host's living tissues, killing them in the process. But the adults primarily consume nectar from flowers. Other animals may have very specific feeding behaviors, such as hawksbill sea turtles primarily eating sponges. Most animals rely on the biomass and energy produced by plants through photosynthesis. Herbivores eat plant material directly, while carnivores and other animals on higher trophic levels typically acquire it indirectly by eating other animals. Animals oxidize carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and other biomolecules, which allows the animal to grow and to sustain biological processes such as locomotion. Animals living close to hydrothermal vents and cold seeps on the dark sea floor consume organic matter of archaea and bacteria produced in these locations through chemosynthesis, by oxidizing inorganic compounds, such as hydrogen sulfide. Animals originally evolved in the sea. Lineages of arthropods colonized land around the same time as land plants. Probably between 510 and 471 million years ago during the late Cambrian or early Ordovician. Vertebrates such as the lobe-finned fish Tiktaalik started to move onto land in the late Devonian. About 375 million years ago. Animals occupy virtually all of Earth's habitats and microhabitats, including salt water, hydrothermal vents, fresh water, hot springs, swamps, forests, pastures, deserts, air, and the interiors of other animals, plants, fungi, and rocks. Animals are however not particularly heat tolerant. Very few of them can survive at constant temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Only very few species of animals, mostly nematodes, inhabit the most extreme cold deserts of continental Antarctica.